Alright. Project today is replacing the V70 MK3 rear end diagonal arm bushing on the large size on the chassis side. These suckers. So we will take a wheel off and inner liner on the wheel well, and let's start from that. Let's see what we are against of. Here are the tools that you need this job. Nothing fancy except that special tool that is for trailing arm pass removal tool, Ford and Volvo. Now I know what's the name of the thing is that we are changing. Yeah, that's only special tool, and this tool is so special that I had to modify it already. So I also needed my mill there. But yes, we have some power tools, pry bar, impact sockets, and standard hand tools. This is that much delicate thing that normal ratchet is good for that, not used for the impact with this. You need 18mm socket, 13mm and 10mm socket for all the fasteners that are on the car, and that's it. And the hoist, that is something that's mandatory on this stuff. I don't see how this could be done without hoist. So here's the tools that we needed on this job. To get pushing, we need to remove these plastics underneath the car. There is this sheet metal holder which is pressed 70mm size. So, or was it 18mm? Sorry, it was an 18mm socket that we used to get that out there, and now we get to see the arms end and pushing when we reach there. To get that plastic, we had to drop car with the jack stands, and so the scissor lift that I have is way on the front connecting thingies. So we needed to do a little bit patenting here, and we shall continue. Okay, now we have managed to reveal the bushings. We need to open these 18mm, or actually they are 19mm bolts holding that in the chassis, and remove these 13mm bolts that holds brake lines and exhaust hanger. So these are the holders for the plastics, and same on here on the other side. It has only the brake line hanger there holding. We see lots of rust here and we do also a little bit rust protection here afterwards. So let's continue removing those. Okay, that's off. Now we need to pull that down so we can push the bushing out. All right, now we have a bushing available. We had to remove shock from there, and then this connection arm from chassis to wheel, that one needs to be removed and actually need to be replaced. There is a bushing gone on that also, so that's there. And now we bring the tool here which help us to push this through and pulling the new in, or pushing the new in, I don't know yet. We'll be learning how to use the tool. Stay tuned. Okay, now we have a pressing tool here. Try to push this pushing out. Let's see if it works. I need to pull mirror. It is solid. I have a feeling that it's losing. Yes, I win. Yes, it's there. Now we pull this back. This off here. All right, there's a rusty hole. I will take a tool and clean up the hole, and we push the new one in. Pysyykö se kasassa? kun sen pitää olla tämän. Alright, I managed to destroy one bushing due to nice tool from Amazon. This hole was too small, it didn't fit over the column. I had to take my mill and try to make it bigger, this groove here. Unfortunately, I don't have the rolling table or the big enough bit on the mill, so I did what I could, and I managed to make it larger, so now it will fit on the sleeve like this. And I already managed to push the other side in, so let's take a look together this back in that we already started removing and destroying one. Luckily these are cheap parts, so no damage done, but small back drawback there, but let's see. Okay, let's put this back together. Need to squeeze this in on its place. Like that. Like that, so.
Sovitaanko se nyt?
Yep. Good to go. But without the right tool, this would be a nightmare. With the right tool, this was a nightmare. Before I managed to do the tweak on this blade. and my tweak isn't perfect, so I need to make it a little bit better for the next time. But now it's done. We can release this, and so now it's just the opposite, hanging the cables and hoses back on the control arm, and that's it. So right, lifting this up and so on. We will put camera away because this isn't the pretty side when we lift that up, so I will show later how it looks. But bolts goes up there, and everywhere, so let's see. Alright, things start to be on their places, so overall not that bad job to do if you have a right tool. Okay, that's wrap on the video, and yeah, not so special, but you see how I do things, and it's not perfect, but it's my way, and since I can do it, you can do it. So nothing fancy, just basic labor. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Maybe we get more audience and little bit feedback what you want to see. I don't care, I do what I want, but of course opinions matter. So thanks.